essentially, lahat na makikita mong ginagawa sa Singapore, yun ang i-apply sa Baguio. So there will be 7 components, lahat yan. So yung 6 components naman, na public transport system, yung public transport management, yung traffic management or law enforcement, halos pati yung command center at yung mobile application, tanggap lahat yan ng tao, except for one, yung congestion fee.
Congestion fee.
Yeah, congestion fee. Yun. Yun ang very controversial kasi nga, bakit mo kami i-charge? Ang sinasabi pa nga, yan ang gusto ni Magalong. Yan ang i-implement, yun ang intriga. When in fact, it's just a proposal. Pero hindi nila alam na yung congestion fee, it's not actually a penalty. At hindi pa well-defined yung halaga niyan. Ano? May proposal lang. Yung proponent sa amin na ito yung amount. Pero subject pa yan sa mga series of consultation, series of engagement, and subject to the approval pa yan ng City Development Council at yung City Council pa yan. Magkakaroon pa yan ng Swiss Challenge. So, meron pa mga prosesong gagawin at very transparent lahat. Kaya lang, among all these 7 components, yan talaga ang pinaka